So, a quick introduction. Who was Maslow? Well, he was an American psychologist who in 1943 created a theory called Maslow's hierarchy of needs. But before we get into all of that theory, just have a quick look at this advertising.
I have pretty gray hair and I have my pretty wrinkles and I laugh a lot. And I'm hoping my wrinkles will show that I have fun. It's part of growing up. It's a part of maturing and I enjoy it. I like it.
We think beauty comes in all ages, shapes, and sizes. What do you think? Join the debate at campaignforrealbeauty.com.
Wrinkles, gray hair, I think it's pretty.
Did you like it? What did you like about it? Well, it was emotional and it played to our emotions. So what did he say? Well, Maslow pictured a hierarchy of needs in the shape of a pyramid. And at the bottom of this pyramid were physiological needs, functional, rational needs, and then above that, emotional needs, and then above that, spiritual needs, and then finally something called self-actualization. And Maslow's theory was that human beings like us need to work our way up through this pyramid. What you need to remember is, if you talk about the benefit of your product, service or solution and you are overtly rational about it, then you will degrade the value of your proposition. So every time you're communicating your product or writing a value proposition, stop and ask yourself the following: am I being too rational? Have I expressed the function of my product and translated it into the emotional consequence that my target audience will experience as a result?